All right, how's it going, everybody? This is Mark with Hindsight, and it is a new day with a new set of to-dos. My new exhaust tips came in. These are 2.5. These are 2.5 as opposed to these little babies. I'm probably gonna. This is the passenger side. I'm gonna do this one first because it has this really easy bar that kind of you weld to this, and it's going to hold it into place real well. So I figured I'm going to do the easy one first so that I can get that one out of the way and then just have the one to do. So as you can see, this is what I had for my test run, just some turn downs to hopefully avoid a drone noise, but it's super loud. So this side I've already kind of started. So I've got this piece in place. I have to probably remove that, but I think that'll give me enough clearance. I think I could get this in just a wee bit more if I needed to, but no way am I going to be able to use any of these slip fittings. So I'm going to be cutting this somewhere in here, and then the other side of that. This is all a part of that hot rod kit that you can get from Jags or Summit, where it just comes with all different kind of bends. So I will cut here and then match it on the other side to figure out where I need to cut on the other pipe, and then just kind of work my way out slowly but surely and try to get this done. Okay, one down. Yes, I know there are scratches here and here. That happened when I was removing the exhaust or pulling the engine. I disconnected the exhaust, not thinking that the exhaust was going to go down and this was going to go up and hit that. But I'm not too upset about that, because one interesting thing, as you can see, I think this is the factory color and this is the respray. So this isn't the right paint color anyway. Some point I'll fix that, but got one down. Wasn't too bad. Got my hoop over there, and then I have I'll just have a slip fitting right there where I can clamp on it. And surprisingly, when I took this balance off, I could take that off and on. It wasn't easy, but it was possible. So one down, one more to go. So I'll finish that tomorrow. All right, this is where I'm at right now. I'm probably going to be tweaking this a little bit to kind of straighten it out a little bit. I'm going to be messing around with these for a while, but I did get this side done, and I'm pretty happy with it. I mean, using the spare parts from the Fury, I'm really pleased that I was able to get this exhaust done. So as far as what's next, next on the list, I want to clean up the 318 and do a little fresh appearance wise. It runs good, and then put it into the Fury, which I'm assuming I should have plenty of room. That transmission is going out. It's going to get the 42 RH 4-speed overdrive transmission, or 3-speed with overdrive and lockup. So same transmission that was in the Barracuda, because that was a really good setup. So I need to get this car back on the road, and she deserves it, because this was my first project car, and now it's just kind of sitting here in the way. So I want to get this with the motor in, do just like I did with the Barracuda, put the motor in, take the old transmission out, and then move it up on the lift to do the transmission work. And I can put the Barracuda underneath, so that utilizes the 2 spots, and then maybe move the truck inside so it's not the talk of the neighborhood. So anyway, that's where I'm at now. I can do a side profile. I think they're the same depth. And I didn't want them to stick out too much. So there we go.